Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be seeing on how to customize your Chrome new tab. And so over here I have my new tab open, and to customize it you click this thing right here, this icon, pencil icon. And first we have the background. You can upload it from your device, or you can get few of the pictures that are already here. After that, there's shortcuts. So the shortcuts, if you see, the shortcuts are over here. These are the shortcuts. So if I go back over here, these are my shortcuts. My shortcuts is where you can create your own shortcuts, and there's most visited sites, which is where, like, if you visit a site a lot, it'll automatically be added to your shortcuts. And you can hide shortcuts. And there's next is color and theme. If you see, if I change it to this, it's gonna change. You see it right here. There's this, and there's a lot of colors, and there's a custom color. You can choose which one, like that. And I'm gonna stick to what I have. And then after you do something changes to your over here, if you do any changes, you have to make sure you click done, or it won't get saved. So now I'm going to show you for my shortcuts. I'm going to show you on how to create and remove a shortcut. So over here I have this shortcut. I'll just, by clicking this three things right here, you can edit it and remove it. So if I remove, you can have a max of 10 shortcuts. And I can, there's the add shortcut button over here. So if you click it, you'll get the name. You can keep the name as whatever you want, and you have to keep a URL. So yeah, and if you click the three dots, you can edit shortcut. So this, in edit, there'll be the name and URL. You can change it if you want. And that's all about customizing your Chrome new tab.